Assalamualaikum. Our experiment is about electromagnetic induction. So basically our experiment is about Faraday's law. Faraday's law of induction is a basic law of electromagnetism predicting how a magnetic field will interact with an electric circuit to produce an electromotive force. It's also called electromagnetic induction. So our experiment used Tesla coil. It is used to produce high voltage, low current, high frequency alternating current electricity.
So I would like to explain about all components that we use in this experiment. Firstly, we need to use a LED in order to detect the presence of the induced current. Next, we need to use a wire coil, which is 25 turns. After that, we need to use a couple of wire, which is to connect a circuit to a power supply. Next, we need to use a transistor. This is because we need to amplify the current that comes from the source. And lastly, we need to use a power supply to supply a current to our circuit.
The diagram shows the schematic of the primary coil circuit for this experiment. The coil will be connected to both the base and the collector legs of a transistor. Both legs will be soldered. The emitter leg of the transistor is then connected to power supply of 2 volt, and the power supply is connected to the middle of the coil. For the secondary coil, a simple connection between both ends of secondary coil and an LED like this is sufficient.
The discussion of this experiment are: the function of transistor in this circuit is to amplify current. This circuit works by using principle of transformer. Transformers are made of iron or ferrite core. The coil for each primary and secondary have different number of turns. Also, the number of coil in the circuit, it will have same number of turns and same coil diameter. So this will produce a resonance circuit. When the coil is in resonance, the transference of energy is at maximum point. So the condition known as resonance inductive coupling.